Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today we've decided to come to our big M&S to do, see what's in there, see what's new. I say we've decided, I decided, and then I dragged the lion with me. So we're going to go in there, we're going to have a little look around, might pick up some socks, you know, see what's what, exciting stuff, and basically just to get out of the house on this Saturday. I'll do an outfit of the day once we're in there in front of the mirror. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. Right, let's see what we've got. Something frilly to start things off. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Outfit of the day is this, I think it's fat face or white stuff, denim jacket. I've had this for absolutely donkey's years. It's got little inside pockets. It's a great little jacket. I can often wear this and not have to take a bag because I've got so many little pockets I can put everything in. So usually have a load of brooches on here, some with extreme profanity on them, but I didn't put them on after the last time I washed this, so I need to do that. Just a white plain vest top. I do believe this is John Lewis. And my M&S striped wide leg jogger pants things. My Gucci trainers. And I thought I would give Lil Ms Puffer a run out because I haven't done that for a while. And I've got a few bits and pieces in here. I can wear her shoulder bag styly, or I can crossbody her in an emergency. And she also looks good on the lion when he holds it for me and I'm trying stuff on. So that's outfit of the day. There appears to be a glitch in the system and we've ended up in the men's section. Give us a 12. Just turn around. Bright eyes. These would be a great idea for a stocking filler for the Star Wars fan in your family. I personally like these, but would I ever get the lion to wear them? Muppets! And Mr. Men. These are fun socks. We've got some faux sheepskin. I'm going to assume it's faux sheepskin for £69, but if you're into your gilet, this looks pretty cosy, pretty snug. And if the beiges and the neutrals aren't your thing, you're a bit more of a rock chick, you can go for black. Oh, this looks fun. Also looks like static waiting to happen, but it does look like fun. What do you think of that?
I think you look like Chewbacca.
Chewbacca! This colour is really gorgeous. It's pinky, but with a kind of a lilac-y edge to it. It's quite frilly. Same colour, it's a bit high-necked, but there's this knit jumper. It feels really nice on. And the colour is absolutely amazing. I don't know if it's going to come out particularly well under these lights, but it looks really nice with my hair.
I'm telling you, there's no space for it. No space for it in our house.
A bit of a change of pace. The lion pointed this aviator bomber jacket out. It's brown, but it's really dark brown, and it's quite cool tone brown, kind of dark grey, black brown.
It's that warm look, isn't it? That's what
yeah, but it's not like bright tan coloured or anything. So this is a brown I can get behind, and it's really, really cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Good spot, baby.
I mean, the question is, when are you likely to be going up in uniform with bomber or Spitfire? Do you really need it? That's the question.
Need is a very strong word. It's cool though.
Are you? I mean, is it cool or is it quite weird? Let's wear it for the next 20 minutes and we'll see whether you really like it, shall we? Let's go for a little run around the shop.
This jacket on the mannequin. It looks cute with jeans. And on me. What do we think of this? I would wear this with jeans, bother boots. I like where it stops here, and the embroidery is really nice. something a little bit different, a little bit special, and I would definitely not wear it for a do. It would be much more of a sort of jazzing up a dress down. Let's have a look at the embroidery there. Beading on velvet. Got this double-breasted blazer. This is Peruna again, I think. Not much of a shoulder pad, just sharp tailoring. So double-breasted. It's much more of a wintry feel. I've got a couple of blazers. They're both linen, not really suitable for winter. But this pair of jeans, I like it. Does it have a little flap at the back? A little vent. Lovely.
Those real pockets or are they fake pockets?
They're real pockets. They're just
any inside
currently.
Pockets? What's going on the inside?
Oh yeah, there's an inside pocket there. Yeah, and no, none on that side. This is when I feel like a 5-year-old. To be honest, I don't really like blazers done up. But in an emergency, I could do it up. Who is she? Yeah, I wouldn't wear it done up and I wouldn't wear it with sleeves down, but the sleeve length is really good as well. Ryan just spotted these tailored matching trousers. And then the dots connected for me because I've had this suit on my M&S wish list or love list for, well, since I've seen it, it's about 3 months now, I think. Right, well, these I would have to try on. And I think with the waistbands and everything, recently I don't understand, but the waistbands are like 2 sizes too small. Okay, kids, how about this one? It's like an inside out. It's got this really nice soft lining. It's got a little buckle around the top here. Pockets. Oh, this is cute and fun. What do we think of this? This has surprised me, actually. Not my usual kind of, oh, someone's turned up the sleeves already, but the detail on it. This is fun. Uh-oh. Sequins for the festive season. Groundbreaking. Now, you know I'm a big fan of M&S sequin things. I've got a couple of pairs of the trousers, I've got a top. This is a cropped tux jacket with the sort of satin finish detail here and matching trousers, matching satin trousers with a little sequin stripe down the edge, down the side. That's better. There we go. Yeah. That pair of colibris, cheeky little Fendi nano baguette, maybe my crystal one. I've got to say, the lion has been getting very excited about things. Yeah, that's like the sequin jacket I have, but in the one I have is black, but that green is gorgeous. Oh, a little mini skirt. Yeah. I'm not sure if my mini skirt days are still with me, but I can see it. That Louis Vuitton pink papillon trunk. That's a look.
It looks amazing. Yeah. Shirts like it as well. That goes.
You're really getting into it today. I'm impressed. You're almost done. Leopard print for the season. Little shift dress.
White trousers, wide leg white trousers.
Wide leg white trousers. Oh yeah. Ooh, interesting material.
Yeah, heavy, right? They're going to hang.
Yeah, they will hang nicely.
Recycled polyester.
Now, you know I love my luxury bags, but M&S do some really fun bags. We've got crystal here, we've got a little disco ball on the stand, on the display. This is fun. It's single-sided. Faux leather with these studs in it. That's cool. Got a little thing here. And they've got these really cute little grab sequin bags. And let me show you the colours they have. The black. They've got this red. It's kind of see-through sequins on them. Got the gold. Oh, look at that. And the green, which I think is my favourite. Isn't that cute? And they're £25 each, so for 100 quid you can have all 4. This little one is so soft and fluffy, and it's a gorgeous shade of green. This is the kind of green that I'm looking for in Malawive Flamenco. We've got this pink metallic crinkle leather clutch. Crinkle finish clutch. Whee! Someone's broken something in the Christmas display. And hitting 2 trends this year is this hobo bag, hobo style shoulder bag. It's a bit adjustable on the strap there, but it's this really, really deep burgundy colour. Really deep. It kind of looks black, but yeah, it's a really deep burgundy. I've seen this suit on the app as well, and I did save it to my favourites, and then I unsaved it, and now I'm not entirely sure why I unsaved it. Probably because it feels like it is a bit too festive season-y, appropriate, and not really able to wear it with anything else. Colour is this amazing, really rich teal. And then this, I really, really, really like this. We've got this overlay with some sequins and some just little feathery bits, and then a little undershirt. This is absolutely gorgeous, and I love how on the stand they've put it next to only, you know her, you love her, you know I'm obsessed with her, the palazzo jeans. This and the palazzo jeans, gorgeous. Good news for everyone who really, really loved these on me, these regular wide high-rise like joggers with the side stripe. They are still available. This is the navy. They do it in this kind of camel colour, and just over the top there we've got the black versions, which is the one I'm wearing today. So they're still available. Did someone call for sequins? We've got this sequined cropped jacket, and then these, they're not the same sequins all the way down. So the champagne ones I've got are the same sequins all the way down. Personally, I think it's still too soon to be talking about the C word, Christmas. But they do have some cute things out. I love these little light up candly things. That is quite a cute Christmassy snowscape. Look at the little marks and sparks. Oh, cute! Little sling type bag. Wow, that's kind of padded. Cute little wintry sheepskinny type thing. If you've got wide trotters like me, but you still fancy a little bit of sparkle, these are wide fit, black crystal, kitten heel, little point on them. They just look really cute. And then we've got the neutral of the season, leopard print in this satin finish as well. I saw these online as well, and although they're not wide fit, your girl lives in hope, so I might have to try these on. So I didn't try the neutral ones on because I spotted these crystal beauties with a cheeky little heel there. Whoops. They're quite slippy, but look at this. I mean, jeans. Yeah, they are cool. Wear them just a little bit poking out, or the whole shabam. Woo! Now, I love leopard print, but I never thought I wanted leopard print jeans until my friends Dale and Amelia got leopard print jeans. And now, I really want these wide leg leopard print jeans. I think this is the same cut as the palazzo jeans, or maybe not quite as wide. What do we think, kids? Should I? Dare I? I look good with my Gucci trainers. Yeah, it's raining. Yuck! Okay, that's quite successful. We picked up a couple of little bits in the food section. We've got a food delivery coming tomorrow anyway. But a couple of things were out of stock, and the Lion bought some things. I bought some things. Let's go home and order more things.